Hello everyone, welcome to StudySphere. Today in this video, we will be seeing how to set up the project and run it. After successful cloning of the forked repository and creating a new branch, our first step is to set up env file by adding the grok API key in the un file. First we have to create an .env file and copy the code from .env.example and paste it in the .env file. Then add the grok API key in .env file. Then go to the terminal and run bun install to install the necessary dependencies. If you don't have bun package manager, you can install it and then run the command. The next step and important step is to set up the SQLite DB in our project. Run the command npx drizzle-kit push. This will set up the database and you can see the SQLite.db file in the root directory of the project. Next step. Run the project. Run the command bun run dev to start the project. Open the localhost link and you can see the project. Click on any one of the button to log in. As we had created the database just now, there will be no users, so you have to register. After registration, it will redirect you to the dashboard. Then it's all perfect, the setup is complete, now you can go through the project and contribute if you want. A warning to the contributors and developers, don't try to edit the SQLite.db file manually, as it may corrupt the data, and don't push that file in the pull request. This is an optional part of the project. If you want to see the database content, you can open the terminal and run npx drizzle-kit studio to see the contents of the database. You can open the link given in the terminal, and you can access the database content from here. You can do all the CRUD operations here without any specific code or pages to add data. But the motive of this step is only to see the content present in the database. You can change the content from the drizzle-kit studio, but not manually, as the SQLite DB file is stored in binary format. Let's try adding a node from the Next.js web application. We can see that the node is successfully added. Now let's go to the drizzle-kit studio. We can see that in the nodes table, the entry is added. If we try to edit the node from the web application, it will change the data in the database as well, without storing anything in the local storage. This was all about the setup of the project, StudySphere. Thank you for watching.